इस्लामाबाद में पाक चीन मुशावरती मैकेनिज्म इजलास जारी। चीनी कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी के मरकजी कमेटी के रुकन और वजीर लिu जियांचाओ ने कहा है कि पाकिस्तान और चीन के इदारों और सियासी जमातों को मिलकर चलना है। तरक्की के अहदाफ के लिए सियासी इस्तेहकाम ज़रूरी है। और साथ ही साथ उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि नायब वज़ीर आज़म सागदा ने कहा कि सी पैक दोनों ममालिक के दरमियान ताबुन का नया विजन है। सी पैक पर तमाम सियासी जमातें एक पेज पर हैं।
My visit today is to follow through on the important consensus between the leaders of our two countries and move forward the bilateral relations together with the government, political parties and other sectors of Pakistan. The determination of our leaders to strengthen the all-weather strategic cooperative partnership sends out a clear political signal to the rest of the world that China-Pakistan friendship is unbreakable. It is with the wholehearted support of the people that China and Pakistan have become iron friends. Popular support is the bedrock of China-Pakistan relationship, which remains as firm, as stable as mountains and rivers.
Minister Liu's presence in Pakistan demonstrates the consensus of our two countries' leadership to maintain high-level exchanges and deepen strategic mutual trust. I am confident that his visit will further strengthen the enduring bonds of fraternity, trust and cooperation between our two great nations. The convening of today's forum, the participation of Pakistan's all major political parties and the presence of Honorable Minister from China is a manifestation of our shared commitment to preserve and protect the Pakistan-China relationship from the vagaries of national, regional and international politics.
इस्लामाबाद में मुनक़िदा पाक चीन मुशावरती मैकेनिज्म इजलास से खिताब करते हुए चेयरमैन सेनेट यूसुफ रज़ा गिलानी, एहसन इकबाल JUS सरबराह मौलाना फजलुर रहमान PTI रहनुमा और सेनेटर अली जफ़र ने उम्मीद जाहिर की है कि सी पैक पर काम की रफ्तार तेज़ होगी।
Our commitment to CPEC remains unwavering as we recognize its potential to drive Pakistan's economic engine and create employment opportunities for our people.
The nation of Pakistan can never forget that the Chinese side came to the rescue of Pakistan when Pakistan was facing 18 hours of power shortages in 2013, and no investor was willing to invest in Pakistan.
पाक चाइना दोस्ती कि हमारे बाहमी सियासी इख्तलाफात से हमेशा बालातर रहा है और पाकिस्तान खित्ते में पुरअमन बक़ाए बाहमी और बाहमी ताउन पर मबनी ताल्लुकात को अहमियत देता है और उसकी तरफ पेशरफ्त की हिमायत करता है और तनाज़ात के पुरअमन और मुनसिफाना हल पर यकीन रखता है।
We are seeing progress which is slow. We would hope that we are going to speed it up. The proof that we all are interested in this project, the proof that we have a great friendship between the two countries lies in the fact that today all the political parties are present only because of your presence here and because you invited us.